All right, welcome to the first week for Mth120 at Elgin Community College. Hope you had a chance to check out the eclipse today. I was super excited. I even made like this eclipse projector with binoculars. It makes the circle bigger. Normally with a pinhole projector, you just poke a little hole and then you look in the viewing window, the sun shines down, and then there's a little hole in there. But during an eclipse, like during a regular sunny day, you just see a yellow dot. But during an eclipse, you would see like a little crescent. So what the binoculars do is they make it larger. So there's a little foil to block the light. I don't know if you can see. And then there's a little hole there that's letting sunlight through in. And then again, you view it here. And we had like 1 minute where it worked, and the rest of it got too cloudy, and oh well. I just want to talk a couple minutes about what you should be doing this week, what to expect, and then a couple of changes from my original syllabus video, things I've been thinking about. This week, you should be making sure that you're logged into D2Well. If you're viewing this video, you probably are. And then you want to get your MyStatLab account set up and maybe start playing around, get started with the orientation assignment, Chapter 1 assignments. Chapters 1 and 2 aren't due until next Wednesday, week 2 of Wednesday. But you want to get started, figuring out how to answer questions in there, how to enter things in, and so you're comfortable with that, and emailing me if you have questions. And then the quiz for those two chapters will be due next Friday. So plenty of time, but you want to get in, get logged in, make sure you know how that all works. One thought I just want to place that I've been thinking about, I'm realizing when I first set up this course, I had a little too much. I had, get this, homework, quizzes through my method. I had a semester-long project, which was really cool, but kind of got too much. And then I also had discussion posts in D2Well. I think I might have not had the quizzes. Anyway, it was way too much. So I think the workload that we have now is pretty reasonable. We have some homework and quizzes, and then we have our exams. But I'm worried that might not be enough interaction with me and for you to feel part of a course, and enough looking at real practical questions that aren't just in a homework system. So I'm going to work on a way for us to interact a little bit. Maybe what I kind of leaning towards some weekly quizzes that aren't in a homework system but are posted in D2Well, and you get access to some data, you answer some questions, and you submit to a Dropbox. And maybe just add those into the quiz category. So keep your eye out for that. I will let you know about that. The first one wouldn't be due until next week, and these wouldn't be 6 pages, a bunch of questions, maybe half dozen questions that you would use some real data to answer. But I think that'll be a little more authentic and a little more realistic, like what the exams will look like, better than just doing a bunch of MyStatLab homework. So anyway, just wanted to place that out there. Hope you're having a great first week. If you have any questions, please email me. I'm happy to help you get started and get everything set up. What you don't want to do is wait and wait and wait. So make sure you get your MyStatLab account set up, and you get in there and you start looking at those questions and get going. And so welcome to the semester.